This trick he uses in his home every winter. All you need is citrus, cloves, and a candle. The effect is brilliant. Cut off the top of an orange, approximately 1/3 of the height. Cut the base from the larger part of the fruit so that it can stand steadily. Use a knife to hollow out the center. Next, take a piece of a candle and insert it into the previously prepared hole, as I am doing in the video. Take cloves and insert them evenly around the candle. Prepare 2 wooden toothpicks. Insert them on opposite sides. They should be taller than the candle. On their tops, insert the previously cut end. Ignite the prepared candle. After a few seconds, a pleasant scent of citrus and cloves begins to fill the house. This is a natural version of an air freshener, completely biodegradable. It is particularly done during the holiday season. You can use tangerines, lemons, limes, and oranges to make them. Place 3 candles on the pan and leave them for a few minutes. The effect is beautiful. For this trick, you'll need 3 table candles. You can use old or broken candles for this. Place them on the pan and turn on the stove. Use low heat. Leave them for a few minutes. When the candles start to melt, remove the wicks. Leave one of them for later. Slice 1 lemon into thin slices. Then, take an orange. Also, slice it into thin strips. Put the fruit slices in a glass jar or glass. Arrange them tightly around the sides of the container. Prepare the spices, cinnamon sticks and star anise. Place them among the slices. Attach the candle wick to a stick and place it in the glass. It should reach the bottom. Position it so that it hangs in the center. Pour the melted wax from the pan immediately into a heat-resistant glass container. Then, pour the wax into the container with the fruits and spices. You can add a few drops of essential oil to it. Leave it for a few hours to cool. When the wax is cold, trim the excess wick, and it's ready. You can make a lovely festive candle from old candles.
Cut the lemon and sprinkle it with salt. Place it on the nightstand and the annoying problem will disappear. It sounds strange, but it really works. Cut the lemon into quarters, creating a flower shape. Then fill its center with table salt. Place the prepared lemon in a bowl and put it on the nightstand. The salt will make the fruit emit a more intense fragrance. It turns out that aromatherapy using lemon effectively reduces stress. Just place it on the nightstand and go to sleep. The scent will make you feel calmer, help you fall asleep, and positively impact the quality of your sleep.
Light a bay leaf and leave it for 10 minutes. You will feel the effects immediately. Bay leaves have many unknown properties that have a beneficial impact on our health. Most people do not know that they gain a new purpose when ignited. Take a lighter and 2 bay leaves. They should smolder like incense. Place them in a small dish and leave the room for 10 minutes. While burning, bay leaves release essential oils. They have a relaxing and calming effect. They help reduce stress levels. It's worth lighting them in the living room in the evening to prepare your body for relaxation. The scent of bay leaf stimulates the release of endorphins. It soothes a persistent headache and can also help with insomnia. Bay leaf incense is a little-known trick, and that's a shame, as it's a cheap and effective way to address various ailments. As soon as I discover pantry moths in my kitchen, I immediately set up this trap. I only mix 2 ingredients together. Insects flee in the opposite direction. Pantry moths are a recurring issue in many households. We bring them in from the store or they make their way into our kitchens through ventilation. Their appearance in the pantry inevitably leads to hours of stock cleaning. Pantry moths feed on dry food products like grains, flour, and sugar, where their larvae thrive. Pantry moths multiply rapidly. That's why a quick reaction is crucial to rid yourself of the infestation stress-free. The best trick to evict pantry moths from kitchen cabinets is a simple 2-ingredient trap. You'll need a small bowl for its preparation. Pour 2 tablespoons of apple cider or wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of dry wine into it. Place this trap inside the cabinet where the moths have taken refuge. These two ingredients will attract the insects with their scent. The moths will start to drown in the mixture. It's an inexpensive and incredibly effective method to lure the flying creatures. Remember to discard products that might contain larvae as well. The mixture set in the cabinets will also deter pests that could come in through ventilation from neighboring spaces. My grandmother has been using this hack for years. It's quick, cost-effective, and efficient. Express trick for cleaning the drain. It will thoroughly clean the pipes in 5 seconds. Remove the plug from the drain. Pour in 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. When the ingredients start foaming, press them with a towel. The foaming will fill the pipes. It will flush out the limescale and dirt from them. Foam should start coming out of the hole located under the faucet. It will be covered in sludge and rust. This is the fastest and most thorough way to clean the drain. Baking soda and vinegar have descaling and cleaning properties. Gardeners never throw away used dish sponges. They are like gold for plants. This trick is a clever way to recycle. Start by removing the green and hard part of the sponge. You won't need it. Cut the sponge into smaller pieces using scissors. 1 sponge should yield a handful of pieces. They are invaluable when transplanting potted plants. Adding a sponge to the soil will help retain moisture. It's a great hack for forgetful people or those who often travel. Before planting the plant in a larger pot, put the cut sponge at the bottom. Then, cover it with soil and place the plant. This base will help the water last longer in the pot. If you accidentally pour too much water while watering, the sponge will absorb it. This will protect the plant's roots from rotting. When the soil starts to dry out, the plant will draw moisture from the sponge. Do you know any other tricks for maintaining moisture in a pot? Just 1 teaspoon of this spice is enough for orchids to be covered in flowers. This trick is used by orchid growers. Thanks to it, their flowers bloom all year round. Yellow leaves and withered stems may be a sign of serious fungi. It turns out that garlic is the secret ingredient that works great as a fertilizer for orchids. It contains many minerals such as phosphorus, iron, and potassium. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, acting as a protective shield against insects and mites. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them. Then, pour a liter of water and leave it overnight. The next day, pour the mixture into the flower pot. After 30 minutes, pour off the excess fertilizer. Garlic water can also be poured into a sprayer and used to mist the leaves. The scent of garlic and its antifungal properties protect the plant from diseases and pests. For busy individuals, there's also a simple recipe with granulated garlic. Just add a teaspoon of the spice to a liter of water, then mix the solution and water your plants with it. And that's it. Garlic infusions serve not only as protection, but also support growth and blooming. Garlic acts as a nourishing agent. It contains active substances and nutrients. Simply fertilize the orchids with it at least once every 2 weeks to make them bloom again. It's the only fertilizer I use for my orchids. They literally bend under the weight of the flowers.